as mentioned, I'm Henry Sintim, and I'm looking at rotation study. As we know, we have wheat fallow as the common rotation system all around, but there are problems with that in terms of the intention is right, that is to conserve soil moisture so that you can have good yield the subsequent year. But the system in total is not very profitable because you have 14 months allowing the land to fallow. And in that period, the question is, what can we do? Could we incorporate another crop? And also, if you want to incorporate another crop, you also have to consider the type of crop that you want to incorporate. We have many oilseed crops that are adapted to this area, but there are various reasons why you can use them. We have canola, but it's very deep-rooted. So if you want to consider canola, it means that you deplete your soil moisture reserves, and that you are going to have quick failure the following year. But we have camelina, which is kind of not really new. It's an Asian crop, but the interest for camelina is rising every now and then because of some uses that have been found. The main thing is biofuel. Jet fuel the jet fuel was derived from camelina and was flight tested, and it met all requirement specifications. So in view of that, we are looking at camelina because it also has unique agronomic qualities. It's short-rooted, it has a very short growing season, and also, so based on that, we want to see how camelina is going to work. And as you know, in research, we don't have much time to do about 5 years, especially I'm a graduate student, so I can do just 2 years and make confirmatory conclusion. So we also want to incorporate modeling. So what we are doing is we are doing set up trials at different locations. We have one in Sheridan, and we also have is in collaboration with a producer at Manchester, which is close in, to Sheridan, and also we have a camelina trial here in Lengel. All we are doing is we want to optimize camelina production. So in Lengel, what we are doing is we are looking at different planting methods. We are looking at whether drill seeding or whole seeding, and also we are looking at different seeding dates because you want to incorporate it into the wheat cropping system. If you do early seeding, you know, in places like Wyoming can be very cold. Like this year in particular, after April, we still had some frost. So if you do early seeding, you need to be very careful when you are seeding because frost damage can set in. Also, if you do late seeding, are they going to, will it be able to mature enough ahead of the summer, the hot seasons? So these are all things that we are looking at camelina in total. And also the good thing is we're also taking sufficient data, weather data, we are also taking soil data and all phenological data. What we do is we want to model camelina and also incorporate it into the cropping system. By that, we can make recommendations at different locations. And so this is the second year, and for now we can't say much. We can't give confirmatory conclusion about whether it's feasible, but as that becomes available, we'll let you know. Thanks so much.